How to set up parental controls in your iPad. So it's going to be done here directly inside your settings. So go ahead into your settings in your iPad and scroll down until you find your screen time. In screen time, you will be able to manage and set the limits of whatever app or tools you can use in the iPad. So as you can see, it says adults can also set parental controls for a child's device. So you can do it over here. First of all, you have the limit usage section, so you could choose from the app and website activity. You could turn that on if you'd like, and then it will give you a daily average screen time on what the user was using or doing in the iPad. You can limit your usage, like your downtime, app limits. If you'd like, you can add a limit to whatever app. You could choose what apps are allowed at all times. Let's say the App Store for some apparent reason. You can also choose to have a screen distance to reduce eye strain. Next is communication. So communication limits and communication safety. Over here, you can allow this section, which is during screen time, if you are allowed to use it. So if you want to choose, you have contacts only, contacts and groups with at least one contact, or everyone. So you could choose from whichever option you'd like. Finally, you have restrictions, so content and privacy restrictions. You can choose that, and then you will also have your options right after you toggle it on, of course. So just go ahead and press on toggle, and then you can toggle which is allowed, like location services or contacts, and these over here in the top, which is purchases, apps and features, and much more. You can just go ahead and try managing it yourself. Finally, you have this over here, which is setting up screen time for your family. So you can take a look at that if you want to toggle that as well. But those are a few options you can have if you want to toggle on your parental controls or just controls in general in your iPad. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.